Hey everyone, it's Paul with your Bold Profits Daily. Today I want to tell you about two incredible, phenomenal, astonishing developments in the world of investing that can benefit you. So if you have not heard, the world of investing is going commission free. In other words, you can now trade stocks without paying a commission. Just so you know, when I first started investing, I had a $200 account, and my very first trade, I believe I paid $50 in commissions. And today, I could put that entire $200 to work. And that gets me to the second development. The first being the world of commissions is now going away, and I'm going to tell you about the brokerage companies that have gone commission-free. However, the second one is equally important, and that second development is the world that is being opened up by fractional trading. Now, when I first started investing, you had to buy a minimum number of shares. I believe the broker that I used required that I buy at least 50 shares. However, today we are removing that. It has been taken away, and today you can just invest by dollar amount. So one of the big battles that I face in educating investors is people are really wedded to the idea of owning a lot of shares. And so that attracts them to very low quality companies that have share prices that are under $10, under $5, under $1, and they ignore the high quality companies, whether it be Amazon or Apple or Facebook, that have, from what investors look at, they look at them as price tags, and they say, well, it's $150, it's $1,000, I can't afford a share, so I'm going to avoid it. With the new world of fractional investing, you can take your $100 and buy $100 worth of Google. You can take your $200 and buy $200 worth of Amazon, or you can buy $50 worth of Facebook. So these two incredible new developments, one makes it commission free for you to invest, and that's good for you because it means that you never need to be in a hurry to put all your money in on one day. I tell my readers to buy in small slugs. People think of these little worms that are just eating the dirt, small slugs. And the benefit of that is that it allows you to invest on days when the stock prices are lower, instead of thinking that you need to go all in all at once on one day. And one reason why people would do that is because they would say, well, Paul, I'm going to pay a lot in commissions. Well, that's now gone. And no longer can anyone say, Paul, these stocks that you're telling us to buy have high price tags. Yes, they may be higher in quality, but I want to get rich soon and I want to own a lot, or I only have $100. What should I do? And so I would tell you the world of fractional investing allows you to pursue investing where you can buy high quality shares irrespective of how much money you're beginning with. So here are the three companies that have announced so far a combination of, or one of the two. The first one I mentioned when I told you about the Stuff Report, which, by the way, is a great place for you to start to use everything that I mentioned, both commission-free investing and fractional investing, and I'll get into that in a second. And that's a brokerage company called Stockpile, and they have fractional-based investing. Also, very recently, alongside with announcing that they were going to go commission-free, Schwab Brokerage has also announced that they are going to introduce fractional investing. So that is the second one. And the third is a company called Square that makes an app called Cash App, which allows you to transfer money, allows you to buy Bitcoin. However, they've also introduced stock market investing with fractional investing, so you can buy based on how much money you have rather than on the number of shares that you were looking to get into. And so The stuff report is a perfect place because many of you have written and said, Paul, well, I can only buy one share of stuff. Now you can actually do what I asked you to do, which is equal weight into stuff. And for those of you who have no idea what stuff is the acronym that I made up to compete with Jim Cramer, who came up with FANG. And I said, I want my own FANG. And I came up with stuff, which is Spotify, Tesla, Uber, and Facebook. And if you want that report, write into us in the email that is listed below in the description, and we will send you a report on stuff. I tell people to equal weight, in other words, put equal amounts of money into each stock. And if you had done that with stuff from when we first announced it, you're up about 4%. And that, I believe, is actually better than the stock market. And there are some big winners in there. We've got Tesla, I believe, that is up about 30%. And I believe only one stock of it is down as of right now. However, I still like stuff. And I would tell you, follow the rules of the game that I guide my readers to, which is buy in slowly in small slugs and equal weight. And that's what I have for you today. So if you found this video useful, please subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up, like this video, share it with your friends and family, comment below if you've bought into stuff, if you already own it, and if you're going to check into what I just mentioned. And I will have another video for you next week. Until then, this is Paul saying bye.